Class Chapter 6, Class 5th. Every drop counts. Long ago, मतलब बहुत पुरानी बात है. This is a picture of Gadsi Sar. Sar means a lake. King Gadsi of Jaisalmer got it made 650 years ago with the help of people all around the lake. There are ghats with steps leading to the water, decorated veranda, large halls, rooms, and much more. People came here to celebrate festival and for programs of music and dance. Children came to study in the school on the ghat. The talab belonged to everyone and everyone took care to keep it clean. Rainwater collected in this lake separate over many miles. It was made in such a way that when the lake was full, the extra water flowed into another lake at the lower level. When that too filled up, the extra water flowed into the next lake. This way, all 9 lakes filled up. This rainwater could be used throughout the year. Today, Gadsi Sar is no more in use. Many new buildings and colonies have come up in between those 9 lakes. Now the water does not get collected in these lakes. Rainwater just flows away and is wasted. Through the eyes of Al-Biruni. More than 1,000 years ago, a traveler came to India. His name was Al-Biruni. The place that to come. Just a minute. Okay. His name was Al-Biruni. The place that he came from it now called Uzbekistan. Al-Biruni carefully observed, noted down the details of that he saw. He wrote especially about those things that he found very different from his own country. Here is a part of what he wrote about the ponds of that time. The people here are very skilled at making ponds. My countrymen would be surprised to see them. They pile up huge rocks and join them with iron rods to build chabutras, raised platform all around the lake. Between these there are rows of long staircases going up and down. The steps for going up and coming down are separate, so there is less crowding. Today, when we study history, we can learn a lot about those days from the writings of Al-Biruni. This stamp came out in 1973, 1000 years after his birth. ऑब्जर्व, ये क्वेश्चन है, इसका आंसर आपने क्या ऑब्जर्व किया, इस तरह से इसका आंसर देना है. Drop by drop. Besides Jaisalmer, many places in Rajasthan get very little rainfall. Here it rains for only a few days in entire year. Sometimes not even that much. The rivers here do not have water all around the year, and yet most of the villages in these areas did not have a shortage of water. People knew that every drop of water was precious. Lake and Johars were made to collect water. Water was everyone's need. One and all came together in this work, be it a businessman or a laborer. Some water from the lakes soaked into the ground and reaches the wells and boweries. स्टैप वेल, बावड़ी मीन्स स्टैप वेल कहते हैं उसको इंग्लिश में, हिंदी में बोलते हैं बावड़ी. The soil of the area also became wet and fertile. Every house had a system to collect the rainwater. Look at the picture on your right. How do you think the rainwater falls? Rainwater that falls on the roof will reach the underground tank. Draw the path. Have you ever seen a step well? Look at the picture. Can you imagine by looking at the picture that the steps go down several stories deep instead of drawing the water up from the well? The people could go down the steps and reach the water. That is why they are called step wells. Long ago, people used to make long journey with the caravans of animals and goods. People felt it was a good thing to give to thirsty travelers. Thus, they built many beautiful step wells. ये सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं. Customs related to water. Even today, people get water from very old lakes. Dharas, tap wells and naulas. Many customs and festivals are related to water at some place. Whenever lakes get filled with rainwater, the people gather around the lake, celebrate. See the bride of Uttarakhand in this picture. After getting married, she has come to new village. She goes to spring or the pond. In cities, one can see an interesting form of this custom. The new bride worships the tap in her home. Can we even imagine life without water? Do you have some special pots for water at your place? Look, water is being filled in this beautiful copper pot. The shining yellow pot of brass is seen in the other picture. Many stone carvings are also made near the place of drinking water. Have you ever seen any beautiful building near the place of water? Where? ये सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं. Okay, next. Think over it. In 1986, there was no rain in Jodhpur and the surroundings area. People remembered the old and forgotten step well. They cleaned the step well and more than 200 trucks of garbage was taken out of it. People of the area collected money. The thirsty town got water from the step well. After a few years, it rained well, and again the step well was forgotten. The story today. Let us see different ways in which people manage water today. See page number 57. Discuss Do you get water in your house by any of these ways? Put a tick on that. If you get water by some other way, write in your notebook. A Jal Board water tanker comes to our colony twice a day. We have to stand in a long queue to get water from the tanker. People at times have fights over water. We get water from our taps all day long. We have put a pump directly in the Jal Board pipeline. Now we don't have any problem. We fill water from the well. The nearby well dried up a year ago. Now we have to walk for to reach the other well. We are not allowed to take water from some of the wells because of our caste. We have put a motor to pump up and water from the bore well, but there is no electricity, so what do we do? We get water at home for half an hour. We fill this in the tank to use all day. Sometimes it is dirty. There is a hand pump nearby, but the water that we get from it is salty. We have to buy water for drinking. We get water from the canal itself. ओके ये क्वेश्चन आंसर से ये जल बोर्ड का बिल है ना। इस तरह का बिल आपके घर पे आता होगा। आप उसको आपके पेरेंट्स से लेकर उसको देखना कि किस तरह का वाटर बिल आता है। जल बोर्ड से आता है वो डायरेक्ट, है ना। किस तरह का बिल आता है, कितने रुपए हम मंथली या ईयरली पे करते हैं। ओके, ये चेक करना सारा। नेक्स्ट, इट कैन बी डन। There are some groups that work hard to bring water to people of different areas. They ask the elders about the water arrangement in their time. They rebuilt the old lakes and ghats. क्या लिखा? Johats, and also built new ones. Let us see how the group called Tarun Bharat Sangh help Darki Mine. This is Darki Mine. She lives in a village in the Alwar district of Rajasthan. The women of the village used to spend the entire day looking after their home and animals. Sometimes it took them all night to pull water from the well for the animals. In the summer, when the wells dried up, they had to leave the village. Darki Mai heard about this group and asked for help. Together, the people from the group and the village decided to make a lake. The problem of food and water for animals is now less. People get more milk that have started earning more. Okay, this chapter completed.